A review of the COVID-19 trajectory in India for the month of September. Let us carry out an overall review of the COVID-19 trajectory for the past 4 weeks in India, that is from 1st to 28th September. We would be taking figures from two prominent sources, media sources. One is the Hindu and other is Times of India. Now, what does the figures depict about the total case load? On 1st of September, India had 3.76 million total cases, which grew to 6.14 million on 28th of September. This is an increase of 63.12%, a phenomenal rise in the number of active cases. Now, let's see how the fatalities have increased in the country. On 1st September, India recorded fatalities of 66,481, whereas on 28th of September, the total fatalities recorded were 96,383. This is an increase of 29,902, that is 44.9%. So, overall caseload increased by 63.12. However, the fatalities have remained below the overall caseload, and that is percentage-wise 44.97 or 45%. How about the daily number of cases? When we calculate the total number of cases on a daily basis and average it, for the month of September, for 1st to 28th of September, the average works out to 87,695. On 14 days during this period, the cases overshot the national average, that is 87,695. That means almost half the period the cases remained below the overall daily average. Importantly, for the last 8 to 9 days, the cases continue to remain below the overall period average except for 2 days. Does this imply that we are flattening out the COVID-19 curve in India? Now let's go down to another source, the Times of India, what it says in its update on India's peak of COVID-2019 cases. The Times believes that the daily average of cases reported from India reached 93,199 cases, the highest since the outbreak of disease on September 17th. Thereafter, the number of cases have consistently fallen down as far as the average daily cases goes. Importantly, it has also been highlighted that the 5 worst affected cases such as Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh, which had reported the highest cases so far, the daily average has started to fall. I think that's a very encouraging sign. In fact, the election-bound Bihar in particular seems to be going through a fall in cases, says the Times of India, after achieving the peak. However, it's still now not the time to celebrate. In fact, 6 states, which are among the worst 20, are yet to reach the peaks. These are Kerala. Now Kerala, after the recent holiday break, has seen a spurt in the cases, West Bengal and Odisha. States like Assam, Telangana and the national capital Delhi have in fact shown multiple peaks. So they are going through a W-shaped trajectory for COVID-19. Finally, having reviewed this, we must look at the month of October with due caution. It is expected that the government will open up more sectors for daily and public interaction, including tourism, cinema halls, entertainment, and so on. The festival season is also upon us with Diwali and Dasara, which will imply a large number of people getting together in public places, such as in West Bengal for the Durga Puja, in North India for the Ram Leela, and so on. Given this developments, the past trajectory, caution and continued COVID discipline and protocol, that is, the three so-called vaccines which are already available to us, the passive vaccines, mask, frequent hand wash, and social distancing need to be followed in letter and spirit.